I've been looking at doing a few more battery projects. Thankfully, I was able to partner up with Scigold. It's a newer company from China, and they're shipping these battery cells. We're gonna take a look at them, see if they might be right for you. They are gonna be right for me, as I'm trying to build a battery pack, and these 3.6 volt cells are going to have a helping hand in that. You can see the positive and the negative ends are clearly labeled. You have the voltage on it as well as the milliamp hours, and the size for this one is an 18650, but they have multiple other sizes on their website, so you can get the one that you need. It comes with 2 per pack, and they actually sent over 2 packs, so we have 4 total. And they have a battery charger which adjusts to different sizes, so you can charge whichever ones you pick. If you pick the same size, you pick multiple of the same size, this is universal. The port on the back is USB Type-C, so it's compatible with all modern day chargers, and once you plug it in, the display will turn on automatically. Now it's really lightweight and the plastic feels very, very cheap. So do the springs, but it is charging the batteries successfully. They're currently all charging at 500 milliamps, but you can adjust the current and turn it up to 1000 milliamps or 2000 milliamps, and you can switch it between the 3. So if you want to trickle charge it, you don't have anywhere to be, you can set them all to charge at 500 milliamps, and it charges each of them individually, and you can see the voltages on top of there as well. It's recommended to charge these to 100% before the first use, so that's exactly what we're gonna do. Now there's 3 modes here, and then we can switch it to capacity, and so this is the overall capacity. We can switch it to the resistance, and that is the resistance inside of each of the batteries. Now if you press and hold it, it goes to the grade. I think that's either grade or grad, I'm not 100% sure, but if you press and hold it again, it goes into storage mode. So this is going to charge it to where it's like 80%. You know how you're not supposed to charge your phone to 100%, you're not supposed to charge these batteries to 100% and just leave it. We'll put it in a storage mode for now. Testing out some of these batteries, what are we gonna do? Well, you could use it for multiple things. Sometimes, like if you're building a drone, you could use these types of batteries. You can use smaller ones, you can use these ones. Cameras, some of these cameras use like 3.6, 3.7 volt cells. You can make power banks or sometimes slot them into power banks. E-cigarettes, sometimes flashlights use them. So there's various different purposes that you might want something like this, a battery like this. My purpose is to build a battery pack. If you're interested in that, make sure you stay subscribed below and we'll get some portable charger action along the way. So if you're interested in these specific batteries, let me know in the comments below. If you have any other batteries that you prefer or trust more, also let me know. I would like to know. But if you want to pick these up, you think these are good for you as well, I'll have them in the description below the like button with a discount code for you.